Northerners were condemned when they gave quick notice to Southerners, but Igboho was supported, Jaffa claims. A famous Nigerian journalist who unveiled the money scandal of Governor Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, Jaffa, reacted to what recently happened in Shasha Market of Akinyele local government area of Oyo State and destruction of Fulani settlements in Oyo and Ogun State led by the Yoruba freedom fighter Sunday Adeyemo, who is better known as Sunday Igboho, few weeks ago. Jafar said that when northern youth gave ultimatum to Southerners living in the north, the action was condemned by northern leaders, and even Governor Nasser El-Rufai ordered the arrest of northerners that gave quick notice. He added that when Sunday Igboho chased out northerners out of Oyo State, then it was celebrated and leaders warned that such should not happen. Thank you for listening to this news. So they are now contesting that fact now, but who is being celebrated and who is not being celebrated, my dear. The truth is that everything now depends on what is obtainable at that moment. You see, when the Northerners gave quick notice to the Southerners in the north, maybe I will help you to refresh your memory. Even yours was more bloody than that of these Westerners. Yours was more bloody than that of the Westerners, because I don't see anywhere in the West whereby you people were attacked or you people were killed. Instead, it was you people that even went ahead to attack the people that accommodated you. Igboho only tried to make a move. Try to make a move and say to reason why you Fulanis cannot just maintain the position given to you, despite knowing fully well that you are a visitor in the southeast, in the southwest. The land given to you, instead of you to maintain that very land, you will leave the land and hop into another person's land to graze on that person's land. But in the north, El-Rufai was totally angry with the quitting of the Igbos or the Southerners or the Southwesterners, because these people have never did anything to you people. Did they graze on your land? Did they collect your land? They didn't offend anybody. But in you people's case, you offended. You offended. Did they kill anybody in the north? They didn't. But in your own case, you killed. You raped. You caused unnecessary violence. That is why they said that they don't want you. That was the cause of the agitation. That is the reason for the agitation. But your people are not getting it. You kept believing it wrongly. You kept taking it so tough, so hard, so convincing, confusing, saying that because of that, you people will not supply food to the southwest and also to the southeast anymore. Let it be. Let it be. That is your people's problem. I always say that the north will always want to begin a war that they cannot finish. I've always said it. And that is what is happening now. You can see that's what is happening now. You are saying now that Sunday Igboho was celebrated. Who celebrated him? And how was he celebrated? Who told you that he's celebrated? Is this someone that they are ordering for his arrest? Is this someone that everyone was on his neck? Someone that everyone is even holding responsible for causing such a war on you people? Who told you that he's being celebrated? Who told you? They are angry with him. Do you understand? Okay, it is still because of that the Southwest governors have to come together to reason and say, okay, if that be the case, for us to still have the Northerners in our midst, let us give them a condition. And giving you people a condition, okay, why don't you sign this form so that you will know that this is what you should do, this is what you should not do. You people refuse to do that. What are we saying? Nobody condemned you. They are only trying to put you in your place. They are only trying to make you see reason why you should be in your place. And stop parabolating. You people are messing and littering the state. You are littering the street. You are littering the state, the community. Roaming around with your cows, dirty the street, dirty the state, dirty the community. And you think that they will not say anything. You say they should not say anything. No. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Because you people are now making it to look as if someone is against you, or someone is now the one intimidating and marginalizing you, or something like that. No, you people are even the one marginalizing people. Look at all the years you people have been intimidating and marginalizing these people in Oyo. Nobody questioned you, nobody challenged you. Just because Sunday Igboho have to come at the right time to challenge you people, they have seen that you people have overdone. If not for the cry that these people cried out, Sunday Igboho wouldn't have known that something of this kind is happening to his own state and community. The kings, the governors, they know all these things. They kept quiet because of the cow you people are giving to them. They refuse to act. Abi? They refuse to act. Now that the young man has decided to act, you people are challenging him. But, my dear, forget about it. Nobody is celebrating Sunday Igboho. Do you understand? Are you not aware of the arrest they are about giving him, but they didn't succeed? Do you understand? So you people should try and understand and reason what the people are saying and what is happening. So please, if you are new on my channel, do me a favor to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.